guys, this is Lauren from Coastal Styling Studio. So I'm going to give you guys a tutorial on how to install the HALOCOUTURE hair extension. So here is my 22-inch layered HALOCOUTURE hair extension. I'm going to give you like a little close-up here. So here we have how to adjust it. You have little notches on each side here, and you will basically just adjust it to the size of your head and to what feels the most comfortable for you. It should not feel like it is going to fall out of your head, although, I don't know, it takes a minute to kind of get used to it. Once your hair is down on it, and if it is sitting properly on your head, it is definitely not going on anywhere. So I'm going to go ahead and get to it. So what I find to be the easiest on how to install this is a little bit different than what I saw on Halo's website or on their social media. I'm not sure where I saw it, but basically they show you, they have you put it on your head, and then they take a rat tail comb and they basically pull your hair out over top of that. And for hair like mine, which is very unruly and thick and coarse and crazy, that just basically created this rat's nest of hair over top of it. So it was not very quick for me. I'm going to show you how I found the easiest to do it. So what I'm going to do is, it's about probably 2 inches from your hairline down around. You're going to create like a circle basically on your head. So from about here back and down around to the back of your head. Please excuse my blotchy tan, I know. The struggle is real, y'all. So basically, here you have it. I have my ears, it's probably about 2 finger widths above my ear. I guess 2 to 3 from here. And then here we have the back. There's the bottom of my hairline. So pin this up like so. And then take your halo. And you're going to place your wire right over that little part that you've created basically. Oh, move my hair all the way here. So, like so. Alright, so I'm going to kind of show you up close. I have it coming down, around, and it's just basically just hanging on my head right below the bend of the back of my head here, right below the occipital. And then you just let this down. Voila. And then what I like to do is I like to take a wet brush over the top because the bristles are very, very flexible. You're not going to be pressing hard or anything like that, but I found it to be the easiest way to get any of the little loose scragglers out from underneath your wire, and to make sure that you just have everything all nice and blended and beautiful. But you don't want to go back because obviously you're going to catch the bristles on your wire and potentially pull out your halo. So don't do that. Comb it forward, just gently comb it forward. And that will just assure that you kind of caught any of the little random scragglers that could have been in there. There we go. And I'm going to kind of get up close here. I don't know if you can see, you have to really be looking for that wire. There we have it. I'm going to turn around, move this chair all the way here to show you the back. So, brush this out a little bit. So here you have it, my 22-inch balayage layered HALOCOUTURE hair extension installed in my head. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to take it out, which is so easy and so quick, and then I'll just show you how to put it back in real quick, just to speed this up and show you how quick and easy it is. So here we go. Pulling it out, just kind of shake it out of there. There you go. So hard, right? So let me brush that out a little bit. And we're going to put it back in. Let's see how long this takes me. So take it, see, go around in your circle, like so. Pin it up. Like so. And I'm sure you can probably hear my baby in the background being a little wild child. Here we go. You should be in bed right now, but of course, these things never go that way. All right, so now we have it back in. So as y'all can see how quick and easy that is, which is very, very important if you are a mama like me and you have these crazy little kids to take care of. We don't have very much time to be dealing with our hair, but look at how luscious and beautiful these hair extensions are. They're amazing. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on any of my social media or onto our Coastal Styling Instagram page, our Facebook page, or you can even shoot us an email. And so our website is www.coastalstylingstudio.com, Instagram at Coastal Styling Studio, and make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and to my YouTube channel, Lauren House Styling, or to our YouTube channel, which is obviously Coastal Styling Studio. And yeah, thanks everybody for watching, and please forgive my very first video. I'm sure it is not the best, but I promised you guys I would do it, so here you go.
Bye.
Bye guys.